Hello everyone, my name is Jared and welcome back to Sensibility. New fragrance, new house, Argos, Triumph of Bacchus. Beautiful presentation, beautiful bottles, but the fragrances are kind of clones of other fragrances. It's kind of disappointing, to be honest. There's quite a few that they are like straight off clones. Like this one here is Mancera's Red Tobacco. But the reason I bought this one is because I don't have Mancera Red Tobacco. And this one is a bit more boozy and vanillic. But the notes are pretty much identical, bar, rum, tonka bean, and vanilla. Which is in this one, making it a bit more boozy and vanillic. And the presentation of these are a hell of a lot nicer. It lasts really long too, but let's take off the plastic and go for an unboxing. As I said, they are beautiful bottles. These are the first ones. All the new stuff that comes out, the actual plaques are painted. They do a few Gustav Klimt plaques, which I really love, but I just don't care for the fragrances that are behind them. Beautiful box, nice textured, bit of a leather finish on there. Magnetic, opens up to the beautiful bottle. So these ones, you can see the notes down the bottom here, which I'll give you the real notes. We have top notes of saffron, white peach, green apple, and rum. So every single note in the top is exactly the same as Red Tobacco, bar the rum. Heart notes of patchouli, jasmine, tonka bean, and vetiver. Every note, bar tonka bean, is the same as Red Tobacco. Base notes of tobacco, amber, vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. Every note is exactly the same, bar vanilla. So this is what I mean by it kind of sucks that something so... This is a 30ml in a beautiful weighty bottle. Nice crystal on the jewel on the top there. Jewels in the middle, beautiful plaque. Like, these are great. But the fragrance is exactly the same as Red Tobacco. I just actually enjoy this one a bit more, to be honest. Which is kind of lucky. Atomizer check. Nice pressurized atomizer. Yeah, so it's exactly like Red Tobacco. Like, I don't know what else to say. But there is a bit more of this sweetness that you get from the rum, the tonka, and the vanilla. It's a great fragrance, but it's a bit more boozy sweet. It just, I struggled. Like, there's such great presentation and beautiful bottles to have in your collection, but to have the scent just kind of, you would want something new and something different. So presentation for the house is 10 out of 10. Like I said, everything about them is incredible. But the actual juice, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10 because it's literally, it is what it is. There's nothing new, it's nothing different. I do just like this one a little bit more than Red Tobacco itself. That booziness that's in there and the vanillic side. There we have Triumph of Bacchus by Argos. See you next time. Hopefully not for a fucking clone.